Checky, check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome to the channel. Mark, that's me, my words, where we follow trading, traveling, and training. Before I do get into this quick video, please do continue to hit that subscribe button down there and help us to grow. We did surpass 600 subscribers over the weekend, so I'm very, very grateful and thankful to every single person that has joined the channel. So news out this morning, Monday, the 5th of April, GameStop stock dives after filing to sell up to 3.5 million shares. So I just want to do a quick video on this because already I see a lot of chatter around this subject. People getting nervous, people saying it's a disaster. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of FUD and a lot of manipulation, let's say, from certain sectors who need this stock to die. They don't want it to die, they need it to die, or else they're set to lose billions of dollars, billions. So let's get into the article itself. It says GameStop shares took a dive Monday after the video game and consumer electronics retailer finally took advantage of the trading frenzy in its stock to raise money through an at-the-market offering. Finally took advantage. I see that as a positive. That's a positive statement, okay? At-the-market offering, brilliant. They can sell it at market price whenever they feel like it. What else? Company has said it filed to sell up to 3.5 million shares. Not the whole lot, not necessarily the whole lot. It's up to 3.5 million shares, up to a value of $1 billion. Okay. Now, if you divide $1 billion by 3.5 million, you get $285. So if they sell 3.5 million shares to raise $1 billion of capital, that prices that share at $285. Okay, so take from that what you will. And just to back that up, I went to SEC filings, GameStop. There it is, Form 424B5 filed today. And if you go through to page 8, you can see here details of the offering. Common stock offered by us from time to time. These are not all going to be dumped in the market in one go. Fear not. They are clever people. They are going to take advantage of the market conditions. You can bet your bottom dollar on that. So shares of our common stock having an aggregate offering price of up to 1 billion, but in no event more than 3.5 million shares of our common stock. Okay. So for every dollar, the price goes above $285. Yeah, they need to issue less shares. So take from that what you will. They're obviously going to wait until the price is higher. That's what I would do. You wait until the price is higher, then you sell some stock and you take advantage of it. The less stock you have to sell for the more capital you can raise. That it's basics. So common stock to be outstanding immediately after this offering up to 73,531,650 shares, as more fully described in the notes following this table. Assuming sales of 3.5 million shares of our common stock in this offering, the actual number of shares issued will vary depending on the sales price under its offering. So like I've just said, the higher the price is, okay, the less shares they have to sell to obtain that maximum $1 billion that they're trying to raise, or they plan to raise. So I've not read this whole document yet, but what I have read, it's fairly easy for me. Even I can understand it. It's simple mathematics. So yeah, obviously they're taking advantage of this in pre-market. The price is dropping. There's an attack on the stock. I'll be adding more. Buying the dip, baby. Buying the dip for a Monday morning. Don't take this as financial advice. It's just for fun. That's just what I'm going to be looking to do today. Not a lot. I may take the small profits that I made on Ethereum and buy a couple more shares of GME. So that's what I plan to do. And we'll see where it goes. But not to panic. They're not going to be dumping 3.5 million shares into the market straight away. They're doing this. It's a sensible move, in my opinion. It helps them to raise some capital in the future, and for sure they're going to, want to see that price go up so that they can issue less stock to achieve the $1 billion that they're aiming for. So that's it, troops. Just a quick video to, those of you who are waking up to this news across the pond. Obviously in Europe we see this a little bit earlier than you guys do if you're not an early bird. So I just wanted to put this out, allay some fears, give my opinion on it, and hopefully break it down a little bit for you guys to understand. So that's it for now, troops, and I'll get back to you later. Cheers.